What would happen if Bitcoin disappeared overnight? Would the world economy collapse? How would people react? In this video, we will explore some of the interesting ways that the world economy might react if Bitcoin were to disappear overnight. Point 1. The value of other cryptocurrencies would likely increase. If Bitcoin were to disappear, it would likely lead to an increase in the value of other cryptocurrencies. This is because Bitcoin is the most well-known and established cryptocurrency, and its disappearance would create a void in the market. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Litecoin, would likely benefit from this void. These cryptocurrencies are already popular, and they would likely become even more popular if Bitcoin were to disappear. Point 2. The value of gold and other precious metals would likely increase. Bitcoin is often seen as a digital alternative to gold and other precious metals. If Bitcoin were to disappear, it would likely lead to an increase in the value of gold and other precious metals. This is because investors would likely flock to gold and other precious metals in search of a safe haven investment. Gold and other precious metals have a long history of being safe and valuable assets, and they would likely become even more valuable if Bitcoin were to disappear. Point 3. The value of stocks and other financial assets would likely decrease. Bitcoin has become a popular investment vehicle in recent years. If Bitcoin were to disappear, it would likely lead to a decrease in the value of stocks and other financial assets. This is because investors would likely sell off their stocks and other financial assets in order to invest in gold and other precious metals. Additionally, the disappearance of Bitcoin would likely lead to a loss of confidence in the global financial system. Point 4. The global economy would likely experience a recession. The disappearance of Bitcoin would likely lead to a recession in the global economy. This is because Bitcoin is a major part of the global financial system, and its disappearance would have a ripple effect throughout the economy. The recession would likely be caused by a number of factors, including the decrease in the value of stocks and other financial assets, the loss of confidence in the global financial system, the disruption to the global payment system,